Hello friends, in this video we are gonna see how to replace sky in just 30 or 20 seconds. That's it. And by the way, it's in Photoshop 2021. Okay, so we are replacing the sky in 30 seconds or less in 2021 Photoshop. Let's get started. Now, this photo is from our first tutorial, my first video. If you want to download this image, you can get the link in the description box. Now, to replace the sky, first of all, in Photoshop 2021, go to Edit, then Sky Replacement. Then you can choose your sky over here. Okay, just choose whichever you like. Then, if you want to increase the temperature, you can increase the temperature, you can increase the size. I'm not going to increase the size. If you want to flip the sky, you can flip it over here. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK. That's it. And if you like this video, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any further videos. Make sure that you keep creating.